His eyes bulged out of his head, like he was scared of bees. He'd never met a kitten before,
so I wasn't sure how he was gonna react. But I didn't think he would be. And only really became more interested in him. He was like a grandpa sent to police their fun. Kiwi did not enjoy. I think he missed being the only child. But those days ended when he rescued these little fluffs. Was walking home one day and noticed something small and furry on the ground. Wasn't sure what they were until I got closer. Knew immediately they were coming home with me. They were so weak at first. So I didn't introduce them to Kiwi right away. All Machu and Pichu wanted to do was play with him.
The kittens realized that he just loved their affection. It was like he was saying,
"This is all I've ever needed." And Kiwi got two snuggle buddies.